Ayan. Good day everyone. We are at the third deck of the tree house. Ayan. Turn around. Ayan. We have our roof already. This is the tree. Mango tree. Let's go to the second deck. Here are veranda, balcony. You can see the house, the highway side, and the barangay side. Ayan. We have a little table here. That is the post is the branch of the mango tree. Ayan. And ayan. Let's go down. Right, let's go to the house. And this is Tatay's room. Awaiting for the final coating. Also this. Yeah. Also they are done at Nanay's closet. This one will be sugar dust. This one is warm white. They are now working at the living room area po. The walls. This room po is still in preparation. Maybe Monday po. This will be colored by the warm white. Kuya Itoy's room po. So we have that's good thing because we still need to write the Bible verses that Ate wants in each room's walls. Tomorrow we will work on that po. And now they are fixing the cracks in the kitchen area. And we have someone vandalized our walls. Ayan po. This is the laundry area. Not yet, ano po, not yet done. Also the music room, not yet done. This is your master bedroom po. Master bedroom, karaoke, music room. Vandalize also. Ayan. Also, ano po, the main bedroom. This is ano na po, coated final, but someone ayan. We can still ano po, apply one final coating after the tiles are done. Ayan. And also the master bedroom closet. Also the bathroom, master bedroom closet po is done. This is all painted. After tiles po, one more final coating. Ayan. And also the CR. Oh my. Also the mirror part. We're at the foyer po. Sir Ronnie is applying top coat for the stone cladding. Ayan. Also the front po is being this is our front, the marble. Ayan po, babush.